Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you this really cool way, fun, easy charm. So I'm going to make it look like cherries. So yeah, you can see where I'm getting the cherries from. So here's the 2 balls and here's the stalk green. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video and let's get started. First you're going to need 2 green loom bands. Then you're going to need a couple of red loom bands. Maybe 4 or 5. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to use these 2 green loom bands and then I'm going to twist it like that so it makes a figure of 8, and also how you would do a fishtail or a single loop. And then you're going to twist it again from this one, not where your thumb is, where your second to end finger is, and then twist it again like that. So now I'm just going to bring this down just a little bit, because we're going to be putting loom bands here, but not here, because it wouldn't work. So put it on like that, and then put where that red loom band can put other bands on, like so. So now that I've done that, I'm going to get this green loom band, put these 2 at the end, and you're going to pull over the finger, like that, and then, oops, sorry guys, the other one. And then you're going to get this one, and pull it up like this, and then you're going to just want to quickly put it off, oh gosh, like that, and then get these 2, pull it, like that, showing me that little loop thing here. That, give it nice like that. So there you have it, your really cute cherry charm, and you could just mess about with